Thanks for watching Michigan Mud Jam.
Thanks, ladies.
Yeah, one after another for sure.
God damn.
It was probably the scariest thing I've ever had to go through.
Oh my God.
I was like, holy shit.
I was lying.
Hey, beans for a monkey shot.
It's fucking crazy. Imagine with some pretty serious carnage.
Oh man, yeah.
Can I get you guys to do an intro for the video? We say thanks for watching Michigan Mud Jam.
Yeah.
Right.
What? Thanks for watching Michigan Mud Jam. When?
1, 2, 3.
First time back to the truck?
Yeah, man, I was out and about, getting around. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you had a backpack full of beer.
That almost looks like a girl's design, man.
Kind of looks like an ass with nipples.
This is what I'm working with.
Where's the closest ice?
So tell us the inspiration behind the snowman.
What do you mean, name or?
Yeah. Yeah, name and build. Flip-flops were a bad choice, my friend. There you go. Hell yeah.
The name is a combination of Smokey and the Bandit. I'm a snowplow driver in the winter. It's white.
Nice.
We're gonna go set
Is
it
that girl wearing a camo bikini?
Well, see, you have it here. Oh God, I just call it a side move of those monsters.
Nice blazer.
Cadillac.
Party barge right there. This 2000, late 90s model? 2003? Roll down, let's ask them what year it is. What year's your Mustang? 02. Year we graduated.
He's Bronco Chassis, 87. Bronco Chassis.
What's up, guys?
You know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
Did she flash him?
Yeah, I think so.
Doing what I can with a whole lot of drive, trying to make my own path, take a chance, can't sit and worry about no 5-year plan, gotta live for the day, cause I could die where I stand.
That's not your friend. Wait, no, it is. It is.
That
No,
is
it
her.
isn't. No, it isn't. It's a lookalike. It was also flashing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Build? I don't know. I went to Perkins' house once and just fucking fascinated by it after that.
Yeah.
And when I couldn't build one.
That's on.
Oh, you got him? Taco? Do all this custom work yourself?
Almost all of it I made myself.
That's badass.
Hey! He broke down!
He's broke down. When folding a tent, make sure you have help with your friend.
Did you see them
No,
beauties?
were they beautiful?
Oh my god. They like flopped out like playful fun with.
So how many horsies do you got in there?
630 at the crank.
Damn. What's up with the shocks? What kind of shocks are those?
They're overtime CNCs.
We're gonna be neighbors next year. I'm just saying. You're taking it all. You're drunk in the morning. Don't do that. All right.
He's got the hat on that says I'm here to fuck shit up.
Look, she just pulled him out. Oh, she just pulled him out.
Hey! Send it to me!
Yeah.
Yes.
Go, me and my sister fucking hit 3 horses
Hit 3 horses in a trailer?
in a car.
You were in a car, 3 horses on a trailer?
She was
though?
driving.
Hey, roll the window down.
What?
Roll the window down. Yeah.
3 horses not in a trailer. They were just out of their pen.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
How did you get all 3 of them?
We went over a hill and it was so
They were
early
just
in the morning.
tucked up. Dude, did you see her titties?
No,
Oh my god.
because your fucking head was on the way.
Oh, sorry. It was worth it to me. What did she say?
Something about a wife beater.
You ever had your ass lead by a fat white guy in a wife beater?
Is that a wallet hanging?
Fuck these guys. I ain't even kidding.
Roll up my window, Kevin,
Fuck
please.
cool.
That one was nasty too.
Behind you.
Hell yeah.
So we just leave with her beads?
Now I'll be like, hey, I got some beads for you.
That's a party bus. Still see it on there. The sun faded.
Yeah, I see it underneath.
Just stripe like a Ohio State helmet down the
Oh,
center.
nice.
I got tired of people flipping me off going down the highway, so I painted over it.
Your glitter, yeah, that is cool. Good idea. The Hornet got covered. It's a dirt dauber now. I'll give him all the way right. Now go around him.
Yeah, don't even lie. You're like, wow.
Should I turn this around and park there? For a minute?
Just go all the way around. Go do a loop.
Didn't make it.
She put you off. You called her Pinky Stinky. Of course she's gonna flick you off. House party, yeah.
Man, let's
Hell
go.
yeah.
Let's do it. What's your name, man?
Ricky.
Ricky. My name's
I think
Zach, man.
I think that
it's
cigarette's
nice to meet
finished.
you, man. It's nice to meet you.
too.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
I think it'd have been funnier had you wrote titty troll.
Trolling for titties.
Big or small?
Show them all.
Let's see.
See, that's the problem.
There's a lot more than that. Just being left-handed is your problem.
I like that message.
Set of beads that he has right there.
Oh yeah, dude, they have those at Mardi Gras.
Offer him? Should I make an offer? $10?
No, $10 is way too much. I can buy you, dude. I'll get you those beads.
Well, you won't get them from me here now tonight.
No, you're right. I won't.